Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us, and here is our goal, beloved goal. And here you can see that 31% retail traders have taken short position and 68% retail traders have taken long position. So 68% retail traders are still considering that gold will be going up, whereas 31% are thinking that market will be going down and they have taken short position. So let's find out. And my dear friends, today is Saturday, so as you all know that I always upload the complete analysis for the whole week. Therefore this video can be a long one, so please bear with the time and please watch the video completely so that you have the complete understanding of what is going on and what are the best trading opportunities on the chart of gold. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now. And as we all know, there was on Friday, there was some sell-off and their market broke the support of 1780, and somehow during the last couple of hours, market recovered again. And lastly, market closed at 1783. So it seems that the previous support zone of 1790 to 1780 is still valid. Okay, it looks like that way. Okay, but still we are not sure. And as we all know, US dollar has got huge impact on the forex market. Therefore understanding or having knowledge about the US dollar DXY is also very important. So let's find out what is going on in the chart of DXY. So if you look at the chart of DXY here, then you can clearly see there was a sharp uptrend on DXY US dollar yesterday, and this was the main reason there was a sell-off on gold. Okay, so you should have the proper understanding of US dollar as well. So if you look at the 4-hour chart of DXY or US dollar, then you can easily see that we do not get a clear picture because this is not a trending market. Things look very much confusing in the 4-hour chart. But if I take you to the daily chart of US dollar, then you can see that in a daily chart we have a bullish flag pattern, and it looks like that there may be a breakout towards the upside. So in case we have a breakout on the DXY in the next week, there will be some heavy sell-off on gold. Keep in mind that whenever dollar goes up, we see gold going down. When dollar goes down, we see gold going up. So if the bullish flag pattern or the US dollar is good enough, strong enough, then definitely we may see some heavy sell-off on gold in the coming week. But on the other hand, if I take you to the weekly chart of US dollar here, then you can see that though we have a flag here, but still dollar is standing at the weekly resistance level. Okay, but things look positive, and as we all know, support and resistance levels are not permanent. Therefore there is a good possibility of dollar breaking the level. So if dollar breaks the level, dollar gets bullish, there will be some selling on the gold. Clear? So this is our chart of gold USD. So overall the chart looks like an uptrend market. Okay, if you look at the overall trend here, then it looks like the market is an uptrend. But if we just focus, or if I just ask you to focus on the present trend of gold here, then we can see that right now market is sideways. We had a support at 1790 to 1780. This was the support zone, and we had a resistance at 1805 level. So if you have been watching my videos for the last couple of days, then hopefully you know this setup because already you have made good money out of it. Okay. So this is the setup, and the setup has remained the same, but still there is a problem with this level right now because market broke the support yesterday and somehow it managed to take again. So right now we have some questions regarding the validity or the strength of this support. So beginners and new traders, I will tell you to avoid gold USD right now as long as market is trading between 1780 to 1790. As long as market is trading between this range, beginners and new traders, please avoid. Do not trade as long as market is trading between this range. This is your no trading zone. Okay, so your first trading opportunity is on Monday. On Monday, if market breaks the level of 1790, yes, if market breaks the level of 1790 and starts going up from here, then you can take a buy position. Yes, you can take a buy position if market breaks the level of 1790 and goes up. Just make sure that you look at the chart of DXY. So when you are buying on gold, just make sure that DXY or US dollar is going down. That is an additional confirmation for you. Okay, on the other hand, if gold fails to go up and breaks the level of 1780, yes, if gold fails to go up and breaks the level of 1780, 1780, then you can take a sell position and this can be your second trading opportunity. Again, when you are taking a sell position on gold, just make sure that dollar is bullish or dollar is going up. That is just an additional confirmation. So this is the strategy that you can follow for Monday. This is for the beginners only. Okay, because the experienced traders who have been trading for the couple of years, you can take a buy at 1780 also. Okay, you can buy or you can trade in the middle as well if you have got experience. But new traders who does not have experience, who are looking for safe trading opportunities, you can trade in this way. Just make sure that you are following proper risk management and you are not risking more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And my dear friends, from the coming Tuesday, 2nd November onwards, I'll be launching a signal service. Yes, I have been getting many requests for the last couple of months that I should start a signal service. At last I have taken the decision that in this pro trader program only I'll be launching or adding the signal service as well. Okay, I will not be sending you 10-20 signals a day. Yes, I'll be sending you 4 to 5 signals, good signals. Okay, but yes, at last I'm launching from the 2nd November onwards. So if you are interested in joining the signal service, you can check out the pro trader section on my website. Okay, bye bye.